What's the first thing you would do after making your first $10,000 online? Put it in the comments, let me know, okay? For me, I pick up the phone and I call my mom when I made my first $10,000. I said, you never have to worry again. I got you now. That moment hit different because that's when I knew I was never going back. Now, if you've been stuck trying to figure out how to actually make money online, this video is going to show you the exact method I used to go from broke delivering auto parts to building a multiple seven-figure business using nothing but Facebook and show phone video content. And the best part, I didn't have a product. I didn't have any followers and I had zero technical skills when I started. So if you are brand new, this video is for you. Let's break it down. Most beginners ask the wrong questions when they try to make money online. How do I go viral? What should I post on social media? Do I need a website? None of that matters right now. There is only one question that matters when you are starting from scratch. And that is, how do I put the right offer in front of the right people fast? That one question will shortcut your journey faster than anything else. Because if you get that part right, you don't need a big audience. You don't need to run pay ads. You just need to show the right thing to the right people. So what's the right thing? If you are brand new and don't have your own product, the fastest way to get started is with affiliate marketing. Here's what that means in plain English. You basically partner with companies that already have products, digital courses, templates, software, right? Some people, they like to sell supplements. You promote them using your unique affiliate link. And when someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid a commission by product vendor. That way, you don't need to create your own products. You don't need to deal with any customer service. You just focus on getting traffic, eyeballs, right? Eyeballs to your link. And you can find affiliate products on public affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, or even by Googling your niche plus affiliate program. For example, I just type in fitness plus affiliate program. Then it will show me lots of affiliate programs I can join in the fitness niche. Does that make sense? Now, most people fail at affiliate marketing because they just grab a link and spam it everywhere, right? That's not what we are doing, okay? I'll show you how to do it the right way. If you want a full step-by-step training on how to start affiliate marketing properly, I put a free course in the video description down below, okay? So check it out. But for now, let me show you exactly how I made my first $10,000 online using this business model. After I found a product that I want to promote, then I started from using my Facebook profile to get eyeballs and also customers for my offer. All right. Think of your Facebook profile is like a digital storefront. Most people treat it like a personal diary, right? But if you want to make money, you need to turn your profile into your top salesperson. Imagine walking by a store window and you can instantly tell what they sell. Who is this for? And why you might want to go inside. That's exactly what I say on my banner. You can see on my banner right here. All right. And that's exactly what your Facebook profile needs to do. Your bio, your banner, your pin post, your content, right? They should all speak directly to the buyer you want to attract. And this is where your affiliate offer lives. We don't want random likes. We want targeted conversations that can turn leads into sales. But Daniel, why Facebook? Simple. If you are starting from scratch, Facebook is the fastest platform to build trust, start conversations, and close sales. You don't need to have ad budget. You don't need to have fancy funnels. You don't even need to have complicated tech. You already have warm connections on your Facebook profile. People see your name, they watch your content, they engage with your posts. And even if they are strangers, if you do this right, the algorithm will push your content and also your offer to more people on Facebook platform. And here's exactly how I will help someone go from zero to their first high ticket sales in the next 30 days. Step one, turn your Facebook profile into a high converting storefront. Make your banner, bio description, and your posts speak directly to your dream customer. You are not pitching here. You are positioning your offer. All right. Step two, post laser targeted content. Use curiosity hooks. Tell short stories. Build connections. Talk to your target audience, their pain points. You are not trying to impress people. You are trying to connect. Step three, start 5 to 10 conversations per day. No need to cold messages anybody. You don't need to do any awkward pitches. Just reply to people who engage with your content. Ask questions, know more about their situation, and start normal conversations with your prospects. Step four, let the AI sales system close for you. My team and I use a plug and play AI system that handles any sales conversations and close sales in our messenger. No second guessing. No need to jump on calls with anybody. Just real conversations that convert. Step 5, you can now add show phone video content to expand your reach. Once your Facebook is dialed in, pick one show phone video platform. That can be TikTok, that can be Instagram Reels, that can be YouTube Shorts, right? Simply repurpose your best content and let it bring in additional traffic, new leads on autopilot. Step 6, celebrate like a winner because your first $10,000 is just the beginning. Look, this works. I've helped over 1,000 students start from scratch and use this exact business model to make real income online. We've had moms with no tech skills doing $1,000 days. We have call center agents turning their story into 10K per month income. We also have complete beginners who had never posted online start earning commissions in weeks. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a plan. If you want to learn exactly how to do this, I put together a free step-by-step training that shows you how we set up the full affiliate marketing business model using digital products and also our AI sales system. The link is in the video description. Go check it out. And if this video helps you, let me know in the comment section. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.